Hi everyone, this is Shweta Pandit and you're watching artistallowed.com, where it's music first. My music journey has been probably one of the most amazing experiences because I started working at the age of 12 with Mohabbatein, which was my first film as a vocalist. I sang in a lot of films even as a child singer. So my first film was technically Anjali in 1991 when I was a baby. And I sang in a lot of films after that, but I used to sing in the choir, I used to sing for kids in the films. So there was Pardes, there was Dil Kya Kare, Raju Chacha, and Saaz, where I worked with Ustad Zakir Hussain Saab. So I've been really fortunate and blessed to have worked with some amazing artists since a very young age. So I've literally grown up in the industry. Then I worked with Shankar Ehsaan Loy for Rudraksh, Kabhi Alvida Na Kehna, Nayi Padosan. Then I worked with Rajesh Roshan ji in two movies. I did Etbar and Pratiksha. Etbar I was nominated for the Best New Sensation in Stardust Awards. Then I won my first Filmfare Award in 2009 for a Telugu film. Thank everyone in Bollywood, everywhere I sing, because I sing a lot of regional languages as well. So it's been an amazing musical journey. I feel really blessed. I'm really excited because I'm coming up with my first ever single, which is called Keh Do Na. Keh Do Na, sun lo na. It's a song that I can say has grown to be very close to my heart because, I've never tried composing, writing before. Because being a playback singer, you're actually given the song ready. You're giving life to something on your own. And the thought behind the song was very unprepared. I never thought of making a song at all. I was sitting in my house, and there was a phase in my life when I was sleeping really late. I don't know if it was insomnia. I just think it was internet connection. So we used to sit all night, like my night, and try to make a song. And my friend was playing the piano. He's an amazing pianist. The guy you will also see in the video, he's called Kevin Doucette. Amazing piano player. And he played for me once when I was in Los Angeles, when I was touring America with Mr. A.R. Rahman. He played the piano and I was like, your hand is just magic, and I have to make a song with just the piano and just the vocals. And then the next process came of writing the song. Now writing ki jahan tak baat aayi, I first thought I'll give it to a professional writer because my thoughts are very basic thoughts. I'm a very simple person, so that simplicity comes across in that music. But then I thought, let me write a dummy song. Let me just give him a dummy writing. So I wrote the full song Keh Do Na in my own simple way. And I started singing it. अब इतना गाया घर पे, इतना सुनाया सबको कि सब वही गाने लगे. There was no scope for it to go to a professional writer after that. So this also is my single and also my first international single because I'm collaborating with the finest talent from the US, which is Kevin Doucette, Anup Sugunan, Ryan Morton. Everyone who's worked on this is, I can say, creative geniuses. They've been such great friends, such a great support behind this video and behind this song. And this song is all heart. All the pain, all the agony, all the trouble that I went through, all the smiles that came after that, that chalo, acha kaam kiya, is all that you'll see in the music video. That's why I wanted to shoot a candid music video in the studio while recording the song. wanted to let my audiences, let music lovers come into the studio with me and see how a session is done, you know, and get into a very realistic approach to the song, and that's why I wanted to shoot it that way. Artistallowed.com is, I think, the only platform which enables single releases, and it's a great medium and a great bridge between the artist and the audience. And another beautiful thing about them is they completely leave you free creatively, and a lot of encouragement from their side and a lot of support towards individual artists and independent music from their side. And I think they're a great add-on to the song, and once the easiest way to reach a song, like it's the mobile or it's the iPad or whatever you call it, these are the quickest reaches, and Artist Allowed has pretty much made it so simple. It's just a click away, and it's so commendable. Congratulations to them. After this song, I genuinely have started loving the idea of composing, writing music, and seeing the appreciation that's already coming in, even from my fellow musicians and from my colleagues in the industry. It's so encouraging that I'm planning to, you know, keep coming with good creations to y'all and keep coming up with different kind of music to y'all. I'll just try my best and work really hard to come up with some interesting music from my side, which you all can hear, appreciate, like, share, click, retweet, whatever. And keep sharing this music, and thank you so much for the blessing and the support.
And that's a wrap.
Wow.